Hello, let's draw and learn some 2D shapes.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Star,
How I wonder what you are.
triangle,
Above the world so high, like a
parallelogram,
diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle,
square,
little star. How I wonder what
pentagon,
you are.
semicircle, star, triangle, parallelogram, square, pentagon, semicircle. Pastel yellow color. It's a pastel yellow color.
Then you show your little light.
Cool gray color. It's a cool gray color. Deep violet color. It's a deep violet color. Olive green color. It's olive green color. Green gray color. It's a green gray color. French vermilion color. It's a French vermilion color. Pastel yellow color, cool gray color, deep violet color, olive green color, green gray color, French vermilion color. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.